Yo.
Hi, I'm Connor. I'm from the OVCTC, and also I'm from West Union. We're going to talk about this John Deere Model B. It's made back in 1939. We're going to do a little bit over reviews on it. So what you see you got here is you got your throttle, and you got your switch to turn on your gas, and here's your gears and stuff. And these right here, you also got your foot brakes and stuff. There's two of them. There's one here and the other one. And you also got your high, low range. And you got another one for your PTO shaft. And there's your throttle. And you got the steering wheel. And this will be your, and this is also your hand clutch right here where I'm touching it. And this right here is the flywheel start. So, way how to start it. I'll go ahead and turn the gas on. Make sure it's out of gear. See how I'm kind of shaking it, make sure it's out. Get some half throttle. Now these petcocks, I have to make sure they take compression out of the cylinders.